Hello guys, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. You already know what time it is. I got a cute one for you, very cute one. Before I do that, I want to let you know, thank you guys for all your comments. I appreciate you giving me feedback on the video. Thank you so much. Shout out to everyone leaving me a comment. I appreciate you. So this is the step-by-step instruction for Keep Falling in Love. Great line dance, beautiful music. If you're interested in the demo so we can dance together, at the end of this video, I'll pin it right here, okay? If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. So are you ready? So this line dance, let's go over here, and we're gonna face in this direction, so stand right here. So this line dance has 3 parts, okay? And it's 3 parts with 1 change. So what does that mean? So we have 3 rotations. The first rotation, we're gonna do part 1, 2, and 3 in order. The second rotation, it's a one-wall dance. We come back to the front. We're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. On the third rotation, it's going to change. We're still going to do the parts, but we're going to switch it up a little bit. We're going to do part 1, we're going to do 3, then we're going to do 2, okay? So it's a one-wall dance. So here we go. Part 1, we're going to do it twice, okay? And it's going to start on the left. So your weight is going to be on your right. You do a left sailor, then you're going to do a 3/4 turn back. And then you're going to walk up. So watch this. Left, right, left, right, left. So my right shoulder came back and made a 3/4 turn. So I did the left sailor step. Left, right shoulder come back, 3/4, right, left. Okay? So to make that 1 and 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 counts. A left sailor step, right shoulder coming back and walking up 2 times, okay? 3/4 turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left. That's all I did, okay? Then I'm going to go right into a salsa. I'm not going to take any steps. I'm going to do a salsa. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Salsa. 1 and 2, back, 3, step, 4. Okay? So we got 2 4 counts. That's 8 counts. So we do a left sailor step, walk up, and go right into the salsa step. And that's going to equal our 8 counts. Our first turn is going to be a 3/4 turn back. The weight is going to start on the right. Left sailor step, 1 and 2, turn, 3, 4. Salsa, 5 and 6. 7 and 8. Last step is on the left. I'm going to step up. Right, tap left, left, right, tap, and then I'm going to rock, 1/4 turn. Left, right, with my weight on the right. So I went left, right, tap, rock, left, right. My weight is on the right. So that's 2 turns. I did a 3/4 turn, then I did a 1/4 turn. Okay? A 1/4 turn is with my left shoulder coming back. Okay? Now, that is part 1. And we're going to do it twice. When we do that twice, it'll bring us back to this wall. So, on 5, 6, so my weight starts on the right. I'll give you a review. Let me walk through it. We at this wall. The weight starts, when my weight starts on my right, I do a left sailor step. Left, right, left. Right shoulder come back, 3/4, 2 steps. Right, left. Do a salsa. Right, left. I'm going to step up and tap, right. Tap, come back, left, right. Tap, then 1/4 turn to my left. Rock a 4. Left, right. We're back at the top, doing it twice. Okay? So this part 1 brought me to my back wall. I did a 3/4 turn, then I did a 1/4 turn. weight is on my right, I'm going to sailor step again, left, right, left, 3/4 turn back, right, left, salsa, right, back, left, right, left. Step up on your right, right, tap, left, back, left, tap, right, left. So I go up, right, tap, left, back, left, right, tap, left. Then I do a 1/4 turn to my left, left, right, and tap. Rock, left, right, and tap to set up for part 2. Okay, so that's part 1. So let's do it again. 5, starting with my right, the weight on my right. 5, 6, 7, sailor. 1 and 2, 3/4, 3, 4, salsa, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Up, 1, tap, 2, left, 3, tap, 4. 1/4 turn to your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sailor, 1 and 2, 3/4 turn back, 3, 4. Salsa, 5 and 6, 7 up, 8. Right, 1, tap, 2. Left, 3, tap, 4. A 1/4 turn, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so our transition is 5, 6, 7, and 8 with my right out to transition into part 2. So part 2, we're going to do on the front and the back wall. Okay, so again, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, left, right. Okay, so that's part 1. Okay, part 2 is going to be a sailor step again. 1 and 2, half turn, 3, 4, 2 steps, up, 5, tap, 6, back, 7, out, 8. Okay, and then we're going to do it again. So that's part 2. Part 2 is out. We end with the right heel out. Sailor step, 1 and 2. Last time you did a 3/4 turn back. This time you're going to take a half turn with the left shoulder, 2 steps. 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 2 steps, which is left, right. Up, left, 5, 6, left, tap, right, 7, out, 8. And that's part 2. Left, tap, right, left, out. Okay, now we're going to do it again. A sailor step, left shoulder back, half turn. Right sailor step, 1 and 2. Back, 3, 4, step, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's part 2. Okay, again, part 2 ends with 7 and 8. Right sailor step, 1 and 2. Half turn, 2 steps. 3, 4. Right, last step is on the right, step up on your left. 5, tap, 6, back, 7, out, 8. We're done. Do it again. Right sailor step, 1 and 2. Half turn back, 2 steps. 3, 4. 4 is on your right, step up on your left. 5, 6, right and tap, 7 and 8. 5, 6, right back, 7 and 8. Part 3, step sailor. So now I'm not going to go to part 3. Let's put part 1 and 2 together, okay? 5, 6, 7, and. So my weight is going to be on my right, okay? Doing that left sailor step, 3/4 turn back. 5, 6, 7, and. 1 and 2, 3/4, 3, 4. Salsa, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Up, 1, 2, back, 3 and 4, 1/4 turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left sailor, 1 and 2. 2 steps, 3, 4. Salsa, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step up, 1, 2. Left back, 3 and 4, 1/4. 5, 6, 7, out, 8. Sailor, 1 and 2. Half, 2 steps, 3, 4 up, 5, 6, back, 7, out, 8. Sailor, 1 and 2 half, 3, 4 up, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Now, this part here, real easy. All 4 walk, lockstep. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to go to your left with the rock. And then you do a lockstep again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lock 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So the transition after your first rotation is out 8. That left got to be out. Okay? 1 and 2, and then start over again. Okay? So that's part 1, 2, and 3. So on your second rotation, you do the same thing. Okay? No change. Part 1, 2, 3, part 1, 2, and 3. All 3 parts right in a row. 3 parts with 1 change. So now you come back to this wall for the 3rd time to start over again. Okay? And you're going to start with part 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back there. Okay? But when you come back here, you go into your step sailor. So you're not going to do part 2, you're going to do part 3. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and 8. Lockstep. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. All the way around. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sailor. 1 and 2. Half, 3, 4. Up 5, 6, 7, out 8. Half, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you roll. Roll. End of dance. Okay? So you get 3 rotations out of that dance. Part 1, 2, and 3. First rotation. Rotation 2. Part 1, 2, and 3. Rotation 3 is part 1, just like you would start it, but then you go into that chorus. Part 3, I keep on falling in love. That's when you do part 3. Okay, you do part 1, that's the verse. You do part 2, that's the verse. Part 3 is the chorus. So that 3rd rotation, they start with that verse, then they come in with that chorus. So that's why you do 1, then you do 3. Then you end with part 2, which is the verse. Okay? And you rock it out when you get back to this wall. Okay? That is, let me see, I always forget the name of the line dance. That is Keep Falling in Love by Will Baker. That's, shout out to Will Baker. That is a hot line dance. So I will pin the video right here, the instructional right here. Well, this is instructional. So I would pin the demo. So if you want to dance with the music, watch here, right here. I'll put it right here and we can dance together. So let me know what you think. Did I teach too fast? Did I teach too slow? I don't know. But let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.